We all know how important keyword research is when it comes to helping the algorithm find an audience for your videos. But the tool you use is just as important, and it's not a one-size-fits-all kind of thing. Different tools offer different features, and everybody is looking for something specific. So today I will be comparing VidIQ and TubeBuddy's keyword research tool so that you can decide for yourself which one will be best for you. Now I'm using the paid version of both of these programs, and we will be using two different search methods, one by using YouTube search and one by using the keyword tool itself, and we will do this for both tools. Let me know in the comments down below which one you prefer. All right, let's head over to the computer. So first we're going to start with TubeBuddy, and we're going to type our keyword phrase right into the search bar and see what TubeBuddy tells us. And we're going to use just a very basic keyword like cake. So when you search anything, TubeBuddy will appear at the side and it will tell you the search volume, how many searches there are per month, and the competition. Now this is very important because you want something that is a high search volume, but also a low competition. And then it will give you an overall score from 1 to 100, and this one is giving me a 10. When you click over here onto keyword stats, it'll tell you how many searches there are per month, the most amount of views this search term has had, the least amount of views, how many keywords are in the titles for the videos that are showing up, keywords in the description, keywords in tags, and the top channel, and then how many videos you have of your own. Scrolling down here, you have related searches. These are other terms using your search word that people have used. So cake pops, cake boss, cake decorating, and then the most used tags. And right next to the most used tags, it will tell you the search volume. Now let's find out what happens when we use the actual keyword research tool in TubeBuddy. So when you have TubeBuddy installed, you'll see a little TubeBuddy symbol up at the top of the page. You just click on that, and it'll bring you to this page here, and you can click on the Launch Keyword Explorer. And then you can go ahead and type in your keyword, which is cake. You will get your score. Again, down here, search volume, competition, optimization strength, number of videos in search results, and number of monthly searches. Now, unweighted checks across YouTube platform itself, and weighted checks against your channel. You can also click at the top here for results and see some of the videos that are coming up for this keyword. You can also see any trending videos using this keyword. You can also see a historical graph, so you can find out if this keyword is trending or not. And then you can also see which countries are using this keyword. So if you are targeting a specific audience in a specific country, this would be very helpful. The other thing TubeBuddy allows you to do is go down to the action button down at the bottom of the page and click Optimize in SEO Studio, where it then takes your keyword into the SEO Studio where you can optimize your video for that specific keyword. Okay, so let's move on now to VidIQ. Okay, so we're going to start out the same way, and we're going to type cake into the search term. And you will also see a scorecard that comes up on the right-hand side, just as TubeBuddy did. This one tells you the highest views, the average subscribers, how many videos were posted in the last 7 days, how many of them have closed captioning, the average age of the videos on YouTube, how many times the keyword was used in the title, how many times it was used in the description, and the top creator. It also gives you a scorecard where you want a high volume and low competition, and your score will be 1 out of 100. You can also see the top channels for this search term, the top related opportunities as well, and related questions, cake recipe, make cake, how to make cake, and their scores. You can also see trending videos down here at the bottom, and it'll show you the videos that are trending right now using your search term. And it'll also show you right down here the VPH. The VPH stands for views per hour. So how many views each video is getting per hour, which allows you to know if your topic is still gaining traction and still getting views at this very moment. Up here at the top, I can click on Enable Inline Keywords, and that will allow these keywords to show up below the title of the videos. So I don't have to click on the videos to find out what their keywords are. So let's go directly into VidIQ's keyword research tool. So you'll see again, you'll have the bar up here, and you have the option of which of these features you want to show, and I'll take these off and put them on. But if you click on the right-hand side here and go down to Keyword Inspector, it'll bring up this little window and you can type in cake. Now this will bring up this menu here where you have your keyword and how many times it's been used in the top trending videos, the search volume, the competition, and the overall score. Remember, you want to get as close to 100 as possible. Then it will show you related keywords and all of their information as well. On the right-hand side, you also have the trending videos with the VPH. So it'll help you to compare not only the topic, but the title and the thumbnail as well. So that is a basic rundown of the TubeBuddy versus VidIQ keyword research tools. Now, this wasn't a video to decide which one is better because that is not up for me to decide. That is up to you to decide which tool gives you the stats that you are looking for as a YouTuber. Let me know down in the comment section below. All right, guys, that's it for today's video. I really, truly hope you found it helpful. And if you did, please give the video a like and consider subscribing to the channel. And I'll see you guys next time.